Hi there, I'm Juno, and I'm really excited you want to learn Python. Before coming to Udacity, I worked as a data scientist and used Python for data analysis, machine learning, and deep learning projects. Python is one of the most widely used programming languages in industry. It's a powerful, general-purpose language with applications ranging from web development to data science. In this course, you'll learn how to apply Python and good programming practices. As you learn Python throughout this course, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, unlike languages like SQL, Python is case-sensitive, meaning these two words mean two different things. Second, spacing is important in Python. Since it isn't very heavy on syntax, like other languages, it relies a lot on spacing, which can be confusing at first, but really nice and clean when you get the hang of it. Third, there will be times you get errors in this course. Keep in mind, errors don't make you a bad programmer. It's just the computer telling you it doesn't understand. Use error messages to help you learn how to write code that can be interpreted the way you wish. Let's get started.